Our family is a blessing from the Lord. Family is a gift, a blessing. But bitterness can ruin it. Do you agree with that? Isipin po ninyo mga kapatid, sa isang pamilya, magkakapatid tapos bitter sa isa't isa. Pagpapala ang pamilya pero nawawala po yung parang pagka-blessing nito. Maraming mga tao hindi nila na-enjoy ang family, the blessing of family. Pagka sinabi mo pa yung family, yung lulub kang isip doon, lipo good memories eh. Supposed to be, it is a blessing from the Lord, but because of, sometimes, I know there are a lot of reasons, but maybe one of the reason na kailangan natin bantayan is bitterness. Mga magkakapatid, nakakita na ako ng maraming ganyan. Magkakapatid, bitter sa isa't isa. Just try to imagine, mag-asawa po, nagsumpa ang magmamahalan, magpakailan pa man, after a few years. Yung pagmamahalan na palitan ng pait. Pag mababanggi ihalagyo. Talaga pong bis na mayumo, itang sweetness na kanita. Nung makananula ka sweet, makantala ka bitter po. After few years. Nako-convert. But marriage is supposed to be a blessing. It can be spoiled because of bitterness. Something that is supposed to be sweet can be bitter. Kapag hindi po natin sinaliksik ang ating puso at di tayo ingat sa mga ganito. Because of bitterness. Friendship is a blessing, right? I know we have a lot of friends in Facebook, like there are many of us, 3,500 friends in Facebook. But those 3,500, you are not sure if they are really your friends. Because friendship, I believe it's rare like a diamond. At kapag ka po nakakita kayo, when you find if a friendship, a real friendship, you treat it as if it is a reward from the Lord, a gift from the Lord. Napakahirap po kaya maghanap ng totoong kaibigan. Ito pong itang magsasakaibigan, marakal, pero itang talagang totoo. Na manatiling through thick and thin, they will stay, blessing sila. But alam po ninyo, Satan will try to plant seed of bitterness in your heart. Just try to imagine, true friend. Tapos po, magkakaroon ka ng bitterness, masisira talaga relasyon. You know, you can have people who you love. People who love you. But if your heart is full of resentment, bitterness, you'll push them away. Kaya I pray this morning, let's all pray, na the Lord will take away the bitterness. Na yung lumabas po tayo dito na wala nang bitterness sa atin pong mga puso. There is a need and a call to get rid of bitterness in our hearts.